Welcome back to my channel. So you've created a Discord server, now what? I've already showed you how to create the server and also how to make and assign roles manually in my previous videos. You can see when I click on my profile some of the roles we made. Today we'll go over how to create categories and channels. I have some here already, but we'll create new ones. You can create a category by going to the drop menu and then hitting Create Category. Let's give the category a name. You can set this category as private, but we'll mess with permissions in a different video. Awesome! Now let's create a channel to go under the category we made. Click the plus sign next to the channel name to add a channel. You'll see in the pop-up we can create a text channel, a voice channel, or a forum. We'll be creating a text channel. Now, let's give this channel a name. We'll name it General Chat. You can also create channels by going to the drop-down menu and hitting Create Channel. We'll give this channel a name too, Testing Channel 1. Note that this puts the channel at the top and not under a category like we did before. You can change this by dragging the channel to the category you want it under. You can do the same with categories, just click, hold, and drag. Now, let's create some voice channels. You'll want to give it a name. We'll name this One General VC. Let's make one more under a different category. Voice channels will always be at the bottom of your category. You'll see that you can't move it above the text channels, just the bottom of other categories. Let's edit a channel. Right-click and then Edit. We'll change the name of this one. You can also do the same for categories. Just right-click and edit. Great! Now you've got channels and categories.